Alright, so Mr. Gonzalez, so based on our training activity matrix, you were able to complete all the activities in our unit of competency number 1, which is plan and develop an event bid or proposal. So are you ready for your institutional assessment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so with that, in our institutional assessment, based on our evidence plan, we are going to have 3 sets of examinations. There will be written test, demonstration, and oral questioning. Okay? So for the written test, I will be giving you 1 hour to answer the questions. Are you ready for the written test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here is your written test. Please answer it within 1 hour. Okay, time is up.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you done, Mr.
Yes.
Gonzalez? Let me have your written test. Okay, so this time, we are going to go to the institutional assessment area for your demonstration. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so this time, Mr. Gonzalez, we are going to have your demonstration. So there will be a performance test wherein you have to develop an event proposal or bid. So for the specific instructions, so I will be giving you 1 hour to list down the components of an event brief. Okay, so this is your specific instruction. Kindly read. Do you have any question?
None, ma'am.
If there's none, I'll be giving you 1 hour to answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, present your output after. Okay, are you done, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can I have your output? So I'll be giving you feedback on your output later.
Okay, ma'am.
So after this, we are going to have an oral questioning. So please turn off the computer and then let's proceed with the oral questioning.
Okay, ma'am.
So are you ready for the oral questioning, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for the first question, so what is an event brief?
An event brief, ma'am, is served as a guide in implementation of an event.
Okay, next question. How would you encourage your staff to adopt safety practices in the workplace?
So basically, I will encourage my staff for safety practices in intensive orientation and reminders on the occupational health and safety policies and procedures.
Okay, so for the last question, how would you resolve budget overruns?
So when it comes to budget overruns are covered by the contingency fund, which is set aside 10% of the total amount of budget.
Okay, so just give me some time to check all your outputs and I'll be providing you the feedback about your institutional
Okay, ma'am,
assessment.
thank you so much.
Okay, so welcome back, Mr. Gonzalez.
Okay.
So I'll be providing you the feedback of your institutional assessment. So based on your written test, you were able to get 28 over 30. That's a very good score. So you were able to answer 28 correct answers and 2 wrong answers. And then for your demonstration, you were able to prepare an event proposal or bid identifying the 5 W's and then the important contingency measures. Okay, so for your oral questioning, you were able to answer the questions given to you. No, you were able to answer it correctly, briefly, and concisely. Okay, so based on your performance in your institutional assessment, you were able to meet the requirements set for your institutional assessment. So can you please sign in our rating sheet as an evidence that we're able to attend your institutional assessment? Okay, and then I will be recording this to your progress chart. Okay, so that we can proceed with the next unit of competency.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that will be end of our training for today. Please go back tomorrow for the next instruction.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez. Welcome back to our training.
Morning, ma'am.
Kindly please sign the attendance sheet. Okay, so we have concluded in our institutional assessment. So with that, we're able to perform the unit of competency, plan and develop an event, the proposal or bid. Okay, so with that, I will be giving you your certificate of achievement. Okay, congratulations. And based on our record here in our progress chart, you were able to complete all the unit of competencies required for Events Management Services NC3. Now, therefore, you will be given your certificate of completion for the training. Okay? And you can apply for your national assessment. Okay? So, here is your certificate of training.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So please go to the National Assessment Center for your national assessment. And before we end the training, I would like you to answer this pause test, please, so that we can see how did you progress with your training. Okay, don't worry, the result will not be basis for you to exit in the program. Okay, so are you done? Okay, so this time, I would like to request you to please answer our training session evaluation. Will that be fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for the training session evaluation, kindly evaluate the performance or our training in terms of the facilities, the instruction, and of course the trainer, so that we can further develop.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, are you done?
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Okay, so thank you very much, Mr. Gonzalez, for attending the training at Ritual Colleges Incorporated. And God bless you in your assessment.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.